look what we have here. A McLaren Senna and a Ferrari 296. We got all the planes right there. Not often do you see a LAPD helicopter close up in person. Usually you see these in the air chasing criminals or shutting down car meets. This is pretty cool.
On those winglets that increase the efficiency and reduce some drag, it's amazing, and more technology there. The red, white, and blue stripe, that's so cool, and the American flag, of course, out on the winglets. That is a nice touch, very patriotic paint scheme.
General Ken Wilsbach and all the men and women of Air Combat Command, thank you for your attendance, thank you for your patriotism, and thank you for your support. Here we go on through.
Here we have the Osprey. We got a couple F-35s and snipers on the roof.
Let's go. I think it's good. Yes, get out of there! Get out of here! Get out
NSX with rockets on the side. Look at this.